right here is going to blow you away. I tried this the other day. It's the Color Wow cult favorite hairspray, and I couldn't get over the results. I use this to give myself a slicked back hairstyle because I didn't want to use those gels and other hairsprays that get like really hard and like a helmet on your head. I wanted to try this because they said that it doesn't discolor your hair, doesn't yellow it, and it's really brushable. So you just spray this stuff all over. You literally go to town with this. Every section of my hair. I am being super, super generous with this. Gonna brush it up. It's a little more for good measure. Here it is, guys. Now this is where the magic happens. I'm gonna take out the scrunchie now. Oh, it's holding in place, basically. I'm gonna brush it out, and you are going to see how insane this is. I don't want that slick back thing anymore. I'm ready to go out to dinner. Do you see this? My hair looks like it's freshly washed. Brushed right out, and you saw how much product I put in my hair. Color Wow cult favorite, go get it. It is insane.